Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the island family.
Yeah,
we decided to go out for dinner because we've only got a day left on the island, and yeah, we're gonna go have some seafood. So join us.
Yeah, man.
Let's go. Since we haven't really eaten much fish here.
Yeah. So just freshen up and
come on, Island. Let's go.
Island, let's go.
Island look cool with his fresh haircut, guys.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
Hey, come on. Walk, please.
What is his problem? Like, I don't get it, guys. Like, he's just...
Yeah, so... we had some shower not long ago. Babe and Island was sleeping.
I had a good siesta.
Yeah. So that was good. Cool down
I was going to carry you all this way, but I wouldn't have wore this top.
Yeah.
You always be pulling it down.
Tell you. Yeah, man. So it cool down in the evening. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's quite comfortable.
Yeah.
We're just walking through this little...
Yeah, we're gonna catch a taxi, you know. Yeah, plane, look. It's a plane.
$100 में दोनों देवे सिलिंडर नवा 50 $50 एक है पूरा संगे कंप्लीट जान गया ना हाँ ना रहा उसके दूसरी चीज और ही नहीं तुम अपन खाली सिस्टम से अभी थोड़ा से राउंड ऑन मार कैसे नहीं ओ कुछ बोले तेल जहाँ ऊपर देखा रहा ढक्कन ढक्कन ऊपर
Bola.
Yeah, that's right.
भैया तू वो मोनू भैया पिल्ला टैक्सी ला अच्छा हमें एक बात बताओ हम भाई ना कि सेकेंड नवा चले मिले ना पैसा 5 ना कितना मिल जाएगा नीचे ऊपर लाया भैया
Bola. Bola.
साला ऊपर ला के जो रबा सिलेंडर में हाँ नीचे ऊपर ला के डैशबोर्ड ला हाँ हाँ वो सिलेंडर में हाँ वो लिखो तब
Bandashing everywhere.
रुक दी लगा देंगे
Yeah, it was.
एक भी हमारे पास है सुपर कस्टम हम लेकर आया सस्ता में और तुम देख रहे हैं सस्ता में तुम्हें शायद बाय करे वो 6000 लगाया अगर कुछ हुई तो सके देखना था हम 6 जल्दी की मांगे और नीचे अगर ऑनलाइन हो तो मैं शायद ध्यान अब देख राइट हमें तो सस्ता मिल गया सच्ची बताइए हाँ कुछ करे आओ ना हाँ कुछ लेटा है था लेटा रहता तो ट्रांसफर करा हाँ उसके ईमेल एड्रेस कुछ हाँ asal number plate sa Bithari. Ula tu salah tak ki ujung rumah sampai tu. Didi. Oh, kita dah mulai lagi.
They're like, hey, money.
Yeah.
Saya sampai cuy. Silong.
Yeah.
As a white, to a white person.
Yeah.
That's cassava, babe.
Yeah, that's. You can tell they plant cassava a lot here.
Like कोई भी अंदा हम बताए. माने चलता है कोई पास एक लौंडा के पास है बट उसके नंबर नहीं उसके पास तो EQ नंबर प्लेट किसी नंबर रखी है. हाँ अच्छा दाम अपन पेन के करेक्ट हम कांटेक्ट करा देंगे तुम्हें. हाँ अच्छा हम बताएगा राइट. तुम्हारा नंबर तो हमारे पास है. उसके पास सब कुछ रखा नहीं हम बताएंगे.
You should have said, don't forget to subscribe to the island family.
Yeah.
Do you recommend anywhere good for us?
Yeah, we got like Intercon, Natandola Beach.
Oh, you have a beach here in the mainland. Swimming.
Very, very beautiful. And we got zip line here.
Oh yeah, we looked at the zip line, but very hard with a little boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mud pool, flower garden, and all.
Well, yeah, we went to mud pool yesterday.
Okay, did you like that?
we went to mud pool yesterday. The sleeping giant.
You mean here the seafood or high?
Yeah, I heard it was good here. One taxi driver said
yeah,
it's
it
good.
is. It is.
Yeah,
I
okay.
hope you can gonna like.
We're here, guys, at the restaurant. It's upstairs. We're going.
High chair. Do you want to go? Yeah, we'll try a high chair. Yeah. We'll go high chair, mister. You're a big boy now.
So this is where we're having dinner tonight. Yeah, we have family dinner.
Fancy. Yeah.
It's nice settings.
Lovely.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. I love you.
This is some of their menu. Yeah, quick peek.
Lovely. Oh. Come on. Come sit up here. You're a big boy. Ooh, very good.
Nice, Popo.
No, you gotta put your leg in. Leg in. Do they do like jobs?
For real.
We're having
Orange juice.
see Babe's haircut, guys. He got freshen up too. I haven't, because I don't think there's many hairdressers here.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't really came across one.
You
So.
didn't got it great.
Mama. No, I didn't get it coloured or braid or anything. Just wait till I get home. Yeah. Hang on, wait. Let's show them. Show them. Turn to the side. Wow. Look at his haircut, guys. Look at me. Yeah. So back to Babe.
They are nicest orange juices me ever taste. Me almost done it already.
Crazy. I'd love to go to Africa next.
Yeah, that would be a good one.
But
Probably gonna be expensive.
we have to weigh it out, guys, because
We'll probably do more Pacific Islands. What you guys think? I mean, the Pacific Islands, they're more cheaper to travel to. And I think because they're the closest to us. So if you guys want to see us go to more Pacific Islands, comment below which one you recommend. You know what I mean? Whether it be the Samoa, the Tonga, the Papua New Guinea. There's so many islands.
or Africa.
Yeah.
Or Africa.
True. I'd love to.
I don't know, guys. Yeah.
Let us know.
Let us know what you think. Hey, Ireland, where to next?
I would love to go to Africa. I mean, Ghana would be one of the main places, Ghana for sure. So we got some soup here, some chicken soup, and also mushroom and egg and all of them things there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I go on. And the couple burger of soup. And then our food coming up. Oh, look at that. Whole heap of chips.
Wow, everything's
Thank you. Oh, that's a big steak. No, I'm jealous. That look nice.
Huge, guys.
That look really nice. I'm jealous now. I should have that my order.
Yours is probably coming out now too.
Yeah, my sweet and sour fish coming up. So stick around.
Babe, all of that.
Sweet and sour fish. But it looked like chicken when it was coming out.
And rice.
It's
Lovely.
And see.
Enjoy.
Let's see if it's gonna look like the advertisement them on TV. Give it that.
Looks like chicken. Pardon
No,
me.
babe, it's frog legs.
I just burped.
Baby, it's frog legs.
Probably is.
I tricked you. It's not fish, it's frog legs.
Oh my gosh. This is the aftermath. I couldn't finish my steak. They left some up. And yeah, but the soup is nice. We finished everything mostly.
Yeah, very big
I'm
right
getting
now.
full right now. Me too. I feel like I can't walk. Let's go this way. There's a way down there.
There's a way.
Yeah, down there. So we get to see all of this. There's a bar there, guys. If you're into that. Let's go down. Island, be careful.
Guys, so there, full up, belly full. Yeah, hardly walk. It's like when I try to force the food too much. You know? Them serve so much.
So much, guys.
Yeah.
I'm a big girl, but I don't eat that much.
Yeah. I love my food, you know, but yeah, I couldn't manage all like.
We couldn't just do it, guys.
Yeah.
Come on, we couldn't do it.
So we are gonna grab a few bottles of water. I need a woman now, you see me? So that's how I feel.
Come on.
Island forward. What's your problem? Yeah, man, so we're there in Town, you know what I mean? Beautiful family here.
Oh God, can I finish that? And I feel so sick to my belly. I think it was dog meat, guys. Keep saying that. Look at the islands playing with my belly. Come on, Island, walk, please. Mommy, vomit.
I go cross the road, you know? Hold on. Wait for them car off the pass. Yeah, let's go, babe. Alrighty.
Mommy, I get toys.
Yeah.
I get toys.
You know the Fiji water.
Guys.
Please,
Yeah, man.
I'm good. I'm good.
I
Right.
don't want to look at food right now.
Yeah, true. You ever get that feeling when your belly full and you look at food, it's like you're upset, your stomach get upset? Yeah. That feeling. Yeah. Time to catch a taxi now, you know? Yeah. So So that's the restaurant over there, guys. Well, it's probably not gonna see anyway. But it's,
And they said seafood restaurant. It's not even seafood.
yes, what is it?
It's bloody dog meat and
Okay.
freaking frog legs. I don't mean to be mean, guys, but honestly, the meat did not taste like proper meat, eh?
Yeah.
I think I got fed dog. Well, they were selling the steak for $36, guys.
Yeah.
Fijian dollars.
Yeah.
Please, any Fijian people that watch this right now, please don't get angry at me, but the meat was very tender. It wasn't just like your meat is tough, it was tender. Just tell me where it comes from, if you know.
Alright. The time now is 20 minutes past 7 in the night, yeah?